Welcome to our video on Pilz I/O systems. Today, we dive into the world of decentralized networking, safety and automation. The Pilz portfolio is divided in IP20 and IP67 product portfolio. On one hand, the PSSuniversal 2 is the IP20 solution with a variety of digital and analog fail-safe and standard modules. There are also other special modules like IO-Link Standard Master. On the other hand, our PDP67 is the compact and reliable IP67 solution for decentralized and applications directly in the field. Thanks to this IP67 certification, the product is resistant to dirt and water. Let's dive into our IP20 solutions. Pilz offers the PSSuniversal 2 product portfolio. The product uses the same safe and standard electronic modules for different industrial protocols, which means that you just need to exchange the head module in order to communicate with Profisafe or SIP safety. The electronic modules are compact with high port density, up to 16 channels with a 12.5 mm wide. A precise diagnostic is well recognized for the maintenance users of the product. One of the main benefits is the three-part system, which consists in a base module, an electronic module, and the plug-in terminals. This allows mounting and exchanging modules without separating them. Therefore, no additional space is needed in the electrical cabinet. You can also leave backplanes without any electronic modules as a reserve for future upgrade. Moving on to the PDP67, this product group is suitable for a temperature range of -30 degrees to 70 degrees networks, and it can easily be integrated into existing Profinet and Profisafe systems. It has flexible I/O port configuration, since you can configure fail-safe input and outputs depending on your needs. On top of that, two fail-safe dual-pole outputs are available to actuate, for example, valves. This product range can be used in automotive or packaging lines, as you can see in the background, where you are going to save time and cabling by mounting these remote systems nearby the sensors. This does not stop here, since Pilz is about to launch one of the first remote IO-Link Safety Master in the market. More information will follow.